In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Calendar email notifications. Whether these notifications are interrupting your workflow or simply flooding your inbox, you're just a few clicks away from reclaiming your peace and digital space. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to access your Google Calendar. So open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar site. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Take your time to type in your credentials accurately and then click Next to proceed. This step is crucial as it directs you to your personal or work calendar, where all your schedules and meetings are neatly organized. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself viewing the current month on Google Calendar. Since we're working through this tutorial as if it was October 2024, your screen should display the October calendar. However, the exact month you see will, of course, depend on the current date. This view is your starting point for making any adjustments to your calendar settings. Now, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. This is the Settings button. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Google Calendar. Navigating here is a critical step as it opens up a plethora of options to personalize your calendar experience. Within the settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Look for and select notification settings. This section allows you to control how you receive notifications about events in your calendar, including the potentially pesky email notifications we're aiming to manage. After clicking on notification settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu that lets you choose how you want to manage these notifications. Click on this drop-down to reveal all available options. The choices here govern how your calendar notifies you of upcoming events, meeting reminders, and other important alerts. The last step in this process is to simply select Off from the drop-down menu. This action disables email notifications, meaning Google Calendar will no longer send you emails about event updates, invitations, or any changes to your calendar. It's a neat solution to reduce email clutter and keep your inbox more manageable. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Google Calendar's settings to turn off email notifications. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more streamlined digital experience without the interruption of unnecessary emails. Remember, you can always reverse this process if you decide later that you want to receive these notifications again. It's all about finding the balance that works best for your productivity and peace of mind. Thank you for walking through these steps with me. Here's to a more focused and efficient digital life.